Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the HHG Packing App for Movers POE. You could download this at the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. We open up our app and we simply press New Packing Job. Today we're moving Sarah Smith from her home. You'll see the date here and we choose if it's sea, air, land, or storage. We have all of her contact information. I do want to put in her email address because after we do this, we can quickly send her her inventory list. We have the origin address, the destination address, and any container data that is necessary. And we start packing. We simply press this button right here, Add Package. It starts at package number 1. However, if you want to start at a different package, you can change this. We are going to add an item to this package. You can choose from the drop-down list. You could add your own item, or you can use the search bar. We are going to put books into this box, and we're going to add another item to this package, pictures. And you continue this process until you have packed your box. This is going to be a medium box, and it's coming from the living room. And we simply press Next Package. You'll see we're on package number 2. This next one's going to be a larger item. We're going to be putting in a washing machine. Our washing machine does have some damage, and we want to make sure we note that. So we press this button here. It is a high value item, so we can mark that as with the value. And if you are doing military moves, we have the option to insert military codes. You'll see them here. And because this is damaged, we have some water damage. We're going to press this, and its water damage is on the bottom. And we also have a great feature where you could take a picture by using this picture icon and take a picture of the washing machine directly from your app. And then we press Confirm. This is wrapped, and this is coming from the garage. And we simply move on to our next package. Now we're on package number 3. We're going to add an item. We're still in the garage and we want to pack up some bicycles. And there are a few bicycles. So you press bicycle, it's wrapped in the garage. And instead of going through this process again, because there are several bicycles, we just simply press duplicate. And you'll see that takes us to package 4 and package 5. And you continue this process until you have packed up the home. You'll see our list of items. Anything starred will show that there's a special note about the item. And we're done packing. We have our signature page where the customer can sign and our packer can sign. And now we want to load this onto our truck. We have our bingo board here, and we're loading our first box. And it shows that we had 5 packages, we loaded 1, and we have 4. If you have barcodes, you do have the ability to scan the barcode in this screen as well. And we have loaded all of our packages. We go back. And now this uploads everything to our back office feature, which you will have access to that as well. And you can instantly email this to your back office and your customer as well. I hope you find this very easy to use, and feel free to reach out to us at Movers POE.